Okay, so now we've got this little pin pushed inside a little bit. See if I can knuckle onto it. Come on. Got a little bit. Oh, good. That's so weird. Look at that. Okay. Keep flowing underneath there. Oh, underneath. Careful. It sounds like broken glass. Oh, God. I wonder if there's a company that does this around here. I wouldn't mind going to work for them for free for a little bit and get some tips, because I do have some more windows I need to deal with. Or we need to deal with. Getting this thing out was a two-person job, let me tell you. My husband isn't good with the fussy work. Mostly I think it's his eyes. But I was a cook my whole career, so my fussy work with hands is oh, that was, see that one come out? This business here, somebody put some caulking on it. Oh my God. I don't know who the hell did that. Somebody that painted the house wash. I don't know.